Yeah. Oh, Pwnage. Symmetrical 3. Woo! Oh, man. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the the Pwnage Symmetrical 3 Ultra Custom Pro. Make sure I got all my echo and shit off. I do. Okay. Okay. Coming in. Right now. We're coming in. We're opening. Alright. Got the box. Let me make sure I'm not going to dox myself. I don't have a manifest. We're good. We're good. Let's get this box out of here like that, though, so I don't dox myself. Whee! Alright. These plastic bags out of here. Alright. We got the custom colored shell. Some glass skates. Coming in. The Pwnage Ultra Custom. Got a little tabby boy here. Oh, slick. Damn, that's got a nice coating. Holy shit. Whoa, ho, boy. That is, wow, yes. Yes. Oh, my God. Oh, it's so much better than those. Holy shit. Oh, and these little button, look at the grooves on that. Holy shit, man. Oh, man. Doggies. What did we, whoa, yeah. Ho. Clicks are okay. The fuck? That's a letdown. Okay. Holy shit, the rest of this, though. Oh, my God. Whew. Okay, I'm excited. Let's get this pretty standard Pwnage dongle here. Let's get this plastic shit off of it. Yeah, FragWatch, let's get it off of there. Let's get it off. Okay. Have a cheers. Lost 20 pounds in the last month. Little orange soda in a Doom glass. Bought myself a 4-pack to congratulate myself. You know, gain a pound back for losing 20. Cheers. Crisp. Woo! Yeah. Taste the sugar in that. Holy fuck. Let's keep unboxing this. That's a thick boy packet there. All right, knife. I didn't get it. I didn't snap it all the way. No snap, take crap. Fucking go. I don't know if this knife is better or worse than my other knife. Maybe I need to get another knife. Put my hacksmith with my everyday carry shit. So, okay, what do we got? Like multiple shells, okay. All right. Okay. We got a shell. Whee! We got a shell. Wonder if any of them are named Michelle. Michelle, my shell, seashell, sawshell. Okay. Okay, we got a sticker. We'll just let's fucking just right there until it falls off. Got the sides. We got some sides. Yeah? Yeah, we got some sides. Holy shit, we got more stickers? Oh, we got more forehead, don't we? There, yes. We have a manual. We have some extra skates. Woo! And I hope I don't have to put skates on this. No, there's some on. We got some grip tape, extra skates. We got a screwdriver to do all that shit, and a pretty stiff cord, okay? Let's move on. This other stuff I ordered separate. Glass skates. I'm not going to open these if you guys don't know what glass skates are. You have a computer or a phone. Get at it. Look it up. Let's open this up. This is blue custom shell, I think. Is that what I ordered? Mint. Damn it. What? Oh, FragWatch mint. What? Oh, man. What the Okay, well, don't order mint. These are not. I mean, it matches this mouse pad at least. That's kind of cool, right? Mint. Got some like little things. Okay. All right. I am excited about this. This is like the best shape I've felt in a while. And that coating, holy fuck. All right. FragWatch out. Let's get this Super Strike out here. More on that later. Coolest tech. God, I hate the shape. All right. Catch you guys. Oh. Catch you in the next one.